How to make miniature heart-shaped pizza. The perfect Valentine's Day treat for anyone who loves anything tiny. Made with real miniature pepperonis and shredded cheese. Let's get started. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Take a frozen dinner roll. Pop that in the microwave and microwave for 7-second intervals. I did this 4 times and then it was soft. Flip the roll after every 7 seconds. Next, pinch off 1/4 of the dough to make one little pizza. I'm only making one little pizza in this video, but you can make multiple pizzas with multiple rolls. Roll the dough out flat and make a heart shape. You can use a cookie cutter, but I didn't have one, so I'm just shaping one with my fingers. Next, you need to grease your baking sheet. Use whatever baking sheet you would like. I'm using my mini pizza pan. Transfer all the heart-shaped dough onto your baking sheet. Next, take a fork and poke holes in all of your pizzas so the dough stays nice and flat. Bake until the crust is golden brown. This took me about 5 minutes and 45 seconds in my oven. If you want, you can use kitchen scissors to cut the pizza to make it look more like a heart. If you use a cookie cutter, you probably won't have to do this step. Next, take a pepperoni and use a straw to punch little holes inside the pepperoni to make them super tiny. Make as many pepperonis as you need to cover your pizza. This is my tiny bowl of pepperonis. I'm using a zester and a string cheese to make super fine, tiny shredded cheese. You can also just use regular shredded cheese if you want, but I just like mine to be really small to match the pizza. Make small strokes downwards to make it super tiny. This is about all the cheese I'll need. If you're making multiple pizzas, shred as much as you want. I have my little bowl of pizza sauce here and I'm just going to spread a thin layer over the crust. Next, add your shredded cheese. Then finish up by adding your mini pepperonis. It's all finished and ready to bake. I put mine in the oven for 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Just bake that until the cheese is all melted. These turned out so cute and super tasty. I love these for a Valentine's Day snack. If you want to learn how to make more mini recipes like this one, please like this video and subscribe. If you want to learn how to make mini donuts, click the video up above. Thanks for watching.